Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you own Gio Golf mobility scooter, you already know that this scooter is well equipped with nice features, including radio that has a Bluetooth and the USB port, and the radio is working okay in most of the cases. But some people might be struggling with a reception of the radio because they live far away from the radio tower. So if you're one of those owners that looking how to remove this radio and install something better of your choice, let me show you the removal procedure, because you can see there is no screws and you try to pry it out and it's not coming out. So there's two nuts from the behind of this plastic cover. So those two 10mm nuts are holding that radio in place. And in order to reach those two nuts, one here and one here approximately, there's two methods how you can access those nuts. One of the methods would be removing this screw, this, and this. So 4 screws in total. Once you remove this cover and remove this cover, you will have a pretty big hole, so you can reach it with your hand all the way down to that nut from the behind of the radio, and with a little ratchet and the socket you can remove that nut. Now that one would be a little bit harder to reach because it's farther away, unless you have a really small hand and you can reach it. So this is not my preferred method. I rather do it from underneath of the hood. So let's go underneath and take a look how to access those two nuts that I was talking about. Here they are, as you can see, one on each side. So to speed up the process, I'm going to use my impact tool. And I have a universal joint, 3/8 universal joint, and this is a 12-inch extension and 10mm deep socket. Once you remove those two nuts from underneath, now you can pull out this radio. It's a pretty small piece, not as big as generic car stereo, and you will be unplugging it. There is a locking tab that you have to press in order to unplug it. Now I advise to wrap this plug with electrical tape to prevent from any corrosion, in case you want to reuse your radio before you sell your scooter or something. And then you can zip tie it to the metal frame from the behind. I would not recommend to use a power supply from this plug, because you have a optional power supply right here. It's a 12 volt, well, in reality it's going to be 13 volt. It's a constant power supply. As long as your display is on, as long as your machine is powered on, you're going to have power here. So if you need to use this power, you can remove those couple screws on this pillar and run wire to your radio. And speakers, obviously, if you will be installing aftermarket radio, I would advise to buy a nice quality speakers, not too big, but the small size, and install it on the front, even on the back if you wish. Now when it comes to the display, you can see that you're still going to have those 3 symbols on the display. One of them says closed, which means that radio is off. Another symbol is like a play button, and another symbol would be a speaker and the volume button. So those 3 symbols will stay like that forever. You cannot erase them. unless you tape it over with duct tape or something if it bothers you. But other than that, you cannot do nothing about those symbols. Your radio is disconnected and your display is reflecting that. Okay, well, I hope that was helpful information for you guys, and if you need to see any other diagnostic videos or repairs or improvement about this particular scooter, or maybe you have a different Gio scooter, please click on the playlist button on my channel and you will see all videos about different models of the Gio brand. I also work on the German vehicles. You will have an option to see those videos too if you wish. I'll see you next time. God bless you. Bye.